Third one, دعوة الوالد على ولده. This is supplication of the parents here. Walid is father, but the mother has more right. The mother has more right. That's number one. Number two, Ikhwani, the father and the man is always does not curse like the woman. The woman always curse. And the father, if he has to make a supplication against his son, subhanallah, it will be the last, you could say, gunshot he wants to put. This hadith tells us, for you parents, do not make dua against your children. Regardless of what. Don't make dua. Because the Prophet of Allah said, your dua is going to be accepted. Again, it is accepted to your children. So I'm not going to go and search for somebody whom his son is defiant to him. Please, brother, make dua for me, I get wife. That's different as well, the same thing as the zalim. But this person's dua against his son. So against his son or for his son. So you could make dua for the son of yours. Subhanallah, there's a person whom they used to be very, very naughty. He says to me, I'm very bad. I used to be insolent, bad to my mother especially. And the person I'm talking to, subhanallah, his beard is like this, thawb, and he's talking to me about what happened before. He said, I was really bad. Alhamdulillah, Allah Azza wa Jal honored me because my mother, she never said any supplication against me except Allah yahdik. May Allah guide you. So when she's angry from me, Allah yahdik. Allah yahdik. She's angry from me, Allah yahdik. But if there are mothers or there are fathers, if they've been provoked by their children, Allah yarmik fi nar jahannam. Oh Lord, throw you in hell. The opposite. Don't do that. Your supplication is fulfilled.